Hey folks, so in another of the continuing series about like what's Armand doing today, I want to let you know I just had coffee and a croissant with my good buddy Travis Bishop here. How you doing, Travis?
Fantastic.
And what we're talking about here is flipping houses. So I know a lot of people are really interested in flipping houses. They want to know, how do you do it? You know, a lot of people think about, I got to do that. It is a strong business to do it. You've been doing it for a number of years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that was our topic of discussion this morning. Just want to let you know we're here in front of the Nomad restaurant here in downtown Hillsborough, which is a great place to eat. Dinner only, by the way. And Travis, if people wanted to get in touch with you to talk about flipping houses, how could they do that?
Yeah, I would say you can give me a call or a text at 405-353-2717. I love flipping houses. It's changed my life. If it's something that I have any interest in, please give me a ring. Like I'd love to chat about it. It has changed my life, and I absolutely love it.
But it's not for the faint of heart, is it?
No, it's tough. It's tough. We talked about this today. Let's say there's at least a 18-month runway to learning it, and a lot of things you got to do to get in alignment and stay above the law. I guess
do things the right way.
Yeah, you got to do things the right way.
Yeah.
You got to pull permits. So.
Yeah, exactly right. Pull permits.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like getting into real estate. People ask me about, hey, I want to get my license. I want to sell real estate. First thing I have to tell them, it takes a long time to really get going. You're not going to earn any money in the first year.
Yeah, my first year I made $13,000. I didn't flip a single house.
There you go.
You know, but it changes quick, and you just got to stay on the grind for it.
So if you really are thinking about it, get in touch with Travis. Get in touch with me. I'd be happy to talk to you about it, whatever you want. My name's Armand, Realtor with Team Armand at eXp Realty. Thanks, Travis, for talking.
Of course. Thank you, sir.
All right,
I appreciate you.
All right. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.